Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about fractions. So let's start with that. So when an object or collections is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fractions of the whole beta. 1/2 means when an object is divided into equal two parts, each one of them is called a half. We express right half as half, that means two halves make a whole, like that way बेटा. ओके ये हाफ है और दिस इज हाफ, तो ये हाफ और हाफ बन के हमारा वन होल बनाता है. सो वी राइट अ फ्रैक्शंस एज नंबर ऑफ अ पार्ट्स चूजन और टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर बेटा. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ 1/3. सो 1/3 क्या होता है? When an object is divided into equal three parts, so each one of them is called as 1/3. We express 1/3 as 1/3 like that way. Okay, so two 1/3s together make 2/3 like this, 2/3, and 3/3 makes a whole like 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. ये तीनों के तीनों मिला के हमारा one complete whole बनाते हैं. Hope you understood. Now next 1/4. When an object is divided into four equal parts, each part is 1/4 of the whole. 1/4 is also called a quarter. That means 4/4 make a whole. Like that way बेटा. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 ये क्या बना रहे हैं हमारे? Complete whole. So 2 1/4 that means half, 3 1/4 3/4, and 4 1/4 that means whole. Okay, some more fractions means beta there are 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 out of 5 1 are shaded, and here it is given 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 में से out of 1 is shaded. Similarly 6 में से 3 and this is half. So 1/5 is a greater than 1/6 part, and here it is 3/6 का मतलब होता है ये हमारा हाफ ही है. Hope you understood this concept. So now move on. Next, here it is given out of 6 5 are shaded like in that. Here it is out of 7 3 are shaded. Okay, so there can be a many ways in which a whole can be divided into equal parts. So this is a whole, ये हमारा half part है, this is 1/2 like that you can write it. This is also you just divide that one into half parts. Hope you understood beta. Now fractionals number and fractions. The numbers such as 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 3/4, etc. are known as fractionals number, and their symbols like 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 3/4, etc. are known as fractions. Okay, so this is figure, shaded part, fractional part, and this is a fractionals number. So shaded part में क्या given है? 2 parts out of 5th equal parts. So that means fractions में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2/5, and fractionals numbers में TWO2 and FIFTH as 5. Similarly 1/4 we just write it like that, 3/4 and 1/3 and so on beta. I hope you understood well. So now move on. Next, this is texting time 10.1. Here it is given, tick the figures which are divided into equal parts. So equal parts में divide करना है, so we can say that this is divided into equal parts beta. I hope you understood well. So now move on. Next one. Next में हम देखेंगे color to show the fractions. अब हमने color करना है half. तो half means क्या होता है हमारा? Yes, तो half को हम color करेंगे like that. This is a एक आप इसमें 2 में से out of 1 part you have to just color it like that. This is half. So similarly this is 1/3. So here you have to like out of 3, 1 2 3 out of 3 you have to just shade it with 1 beta. This is 1 like shaded like that way, 1 2 3 like that way. So you have to fill it very nicely beta. I hope you understood this concept. So now move on. Next one beta. So these are the other questions, you have to complete it your own. Okay, so now next topic is fractions in collections. So Raj had a collections, that means group of 8 stars. He colored every other stars in the group. Half the stars were colored. He had colored 4 stars. Half of 8 stars, that means 4 stars. So 8 divided by 2 is also 4. So we write half of 8 हमारा कितना हो गया? Half of 8 का मतलब होता है 4, like that. ये 4 आर हमारे कलर्ड है और 4 आर नॉट कलर्ड. ओके, टू फाइंड हाफ ऑफ अ नंबर डिवाइड बाई 2. किसी भी नंबर्स का हाफ निकालने के लिए वी हैव टू डिवाइड दैट नंबर विथ 2. लाइक हाफ ऑफ 4, दैट मीन्स डिवाइड 4 विथ 2. सो 2 2 ज़ा 4, सो 2 इज़ द आंसर. हाफ ऑफ 6 का मतलब है डिवाइड विथ 2, सो 3 इज़ द आंसर. हाफ ऑफ 10 कितना हो गया? 5. 2 से डिवाइड किया. एंड हाफ ऑफ 12 हमारा होता है 6. ओके, सो हर्षित हैड अ कलेक्शन ऑफ 12 रुपीज़. सपोज वी हैव अ एग्जाम्पल कि हर्षित के पास 12 लीव्स का कलेक्शंस है. ही डिवाइड्स द कलेक्शंस इनटू 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ओके, सो ही कलर्ड 1 पार्ट मीन्स 4 लीव्स. So we can say that he colored 1/3 of the collections, means 1/3 of 12 leaves is equal to 4 leaves. So 1/3 of 12 का मतलब आपको 12 को डिवाइड करना है 3 से. ओके, सो 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इज ऑल्सो 4. टू फाइंड अ थर्ड डिवाइड बाय 3, दैट मीन्स 1/3 ऑफ 6 कितना हो गया? 2. ओके, 1/3 ऑफ 9 कितना हो गया? 3. आपको 3 से डिवाइड करोगे 9 को, सो 3 3 ज़ा 9. सिमिलरली 1/3 ऑफ 15 5 एंड 1/3 ऑफ 18 इज 6. बेटा, होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. Similarly, we may find 1/4 or 1/5 of a given collections, like that. 1/4 of 16, 1/4 of 16 कितना होता है? 4. So यहाँ पर 4 are shaded. 1/5 of 25 कितना होता है? 5. So here it is 5 are shaded, बेटा. Hope you understood. So to find 1/4 of a collections, divide by 4, and to find out 1/5 of a collections, you have to divide that number with 5, beta. Okay. So now see the next one. Color 2/3 of a collections of 12 circles. Color 2 out of every 3 circles, like that way. There are 4 3s in 12, so 12 divided by 3, that means 4. So colored circles 2 into 4 कितना हो गया हमारा? 8. Okay. So now texting time 10.2. Fill in the blank. So here it is given half of 4. 4 का हाफ कितना होगा? सो हम 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 2 2 ज़ा, सो 2 इज़ द आंसर. 2 2 ज़ा 4. सिमिलरली हाफ ऑफ 10 का मतलब 2 5 ज़ा, 2 5 ज़ा 10. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. सो नाउ सेकेंड फिल अप करना है हमने 1/3 ऑफ 12. 1/3 ऑफ 12 का मतलब है यू हैव टू डिवाइड 12 विथ 3. So 3, how many is 12? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. So write it 4 over here. Hope you understood. So beta, these are the other questions. You have to complete it your own. Okay. So now with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So you only need to do practice, beta. Do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.